Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Ford Mondeo, 2010 to 2014? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions and explains how they keep your sedan's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the Ford Mondeo, 2010 to 2014, houses fuses that protect essential comfort and safety systems, including the steering wheel module, instrument cluster, interior lamps, adaptive cruise control, and fuel pump supply. Luggage compartment fuse box. The luggage compartment fuse box in the Ford Mondeo, 2010 to 2014, manages power and protection for rear seating door modules, power windows, central locking mirrors, and heated seats with 25A circuits, along with auxiliary power sockets and trailer module feeds. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the Ford Mondeo, 2010 to 2014, protects high-demand systems such as the transmission control module, glow plug monitoring for diesel models, engine cooling fan circuits, and electric hydraulic power steering systems. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.